Survivors and victims need to be heard. They need to know they're not alone.
Attorney Mitchell Garabedian has represented clergy sexual assault victims worldwide. He says a decision made by the New Hampshire Supreme Court Wednesday could discourage victims from coming forward.
Once again, they'll go back into their cocoon and feel as though they did something wrong when they were 7 or 8 or 9 years old, when we all know they did nothing wrong.
The ruling centers around the case of Randy Ball. He claims he was sexually assaulted by a priest at a summer camp in the 1970s. It wasn't until 2023 when Ball sued the Roman Catholic Bishop of Manchester. He argued his lawsuit was valid under a 2020 amendment that removed the statute of limitations. But the Supreme Court upheld the dismissal of his lawsuit, ruling that retroactive application of the amendment would violate the state constitution. One legal expert we talked to criticized that decision.
In my view, I think the New Hampshire Supreme Court got it wrong here.
UNH law professor Daniel Pai says this was a hard case, but he thinks the Supreme Court could have used more nuance in its understanding of the Constitution.
The New Hampshire Supreme Court has the final word on the meaning of the New Hampshire Constitution. And so they interpret Article 23 in this way. So that's a retrospective, the ban on retrospective laws includes statute of limitations. End of story. There's nowhere really to go from here.
Now, in a statement, the Diocese of Manchester says defending these kinds of cases can become virtually impossible. That's because over the course of time, witnesses and evidence can disappear. Live outside the New Hampshire Supreme Court, John Schoenheider, WMUR News 9.